Hi everyone from an open air museum in Stockholm, Sweden. It's called Skansen and we are here in January, so it's cold and it's not very busy. So the working hours are 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. You have 5 hours to explore, and right now we are exploring their, let's call it the zoo section, where you have the local animals. But currently we've experienced animals in hiding. Since it's cold, they also like to stay in their little huts, their little houses. Oh, we can see some of the wildlife in the distance here. So this is moose. These are look at them. They're very far, so we'll walk around and have a better look. We're also promised to see a bear and a lynx. So I thought, why not to share with you a video from Skansen when it's cold. I've been there in springtime, so it's nice to see how it looks in the winter. And also, again, get ready to walk quite a lot because the space is very big. And there might be some of the seals, I would imagine. There's one of the entrances where you can explore from the underneath of the exhibit. So there's a lot of ice here, dressed for the weather. Wow, I've just seen. It must be a sea lion or a seal. They will come around. Just like in any museum, you have a good bit of information around. We were given a map as well. And the cost for the adult is 220 Swedish krona in between January and April. So this is about 19 euros per person. 19 to 20 euros per person. I saw that during the peak season the price is 285 krona per adult, and I suppose that is simply because, first of all, they're open longer, not just for 5 hours, and you have many more activities as well. You can use public transportation to get here. It's a tram number 7, and the cost for that is about 48 krona per person, so just around 4 euros. And you can purchase the tickets on the app, which I thought is very handy. You can also purchase day tickets, like 24-hour, 48-hour, 72-hour tickets. Seals are just under, so again we are, we can see. Ooh, there is some life. Hello. Hello. Oh, I love it. Yay. It would be very nice to see the bear, isn't it? We have some sand. There we go. Bear and lynx. We will be seeing the rain there. These are the harbor seal. And we can have a glance. I hear some splashing of the water, that is. Oh, is that the tail? Do we have a seal upside down? I think it's just a piece of plastic.
There's something there, look.
And so you will always be directed and redirected where to go. Very user-friendly museum. Gray seals, lynx, European bison. In 70 meters, a children's zoo, square, and the restaurant. Many different small restaurants, and also in the workshops you can get some pastries for purchase. You can get some of the hot beverages, your standard stuff, as well as like hot dogs and hamburgers. Great place to come as an adult or as a kid. And if you just purchase, say like if you were to come here a few times, I think 2 visits already are paying off the annual pass. Beautiful horse. We have some birds on the left. Look at this beautiful horse. It strikes me as one of the species that can hold or can be, kind of thriving in the cold essentially. We can see the different types of horses such as fjord horse, Northern Swedish horse, Shetland pony, and the Gotland pony. They are beautiful. They look so fluffy. You just want to pet them. Oh, bison. Wow. Wow. That's cool. And you will have all these sort of invitations around as well to come maybe for feeding times. This looks to me like an activity or a feeding time. Kom till skallet achla digme om Skansen husta. It is 12:30, but what exactly is happening remains to be seen. We have a QR code for the activities for the day as well. You can purchase tickets online or at the tills, and the price is the same, so don't be like worried about it or stressed too much. Some of the museums have the tickets online that are actually 20 or 30% cheaper, where here it is the same. Our brown bears are now sleeping in their dens and will not be awake until spring next year. Oh, bear, I wanted to see you. Unbelievable, isn't it?
Yeah.
Meaning that it just shows you the nature, we're just such a small part of nature. The bear is sleeping. Night, night, bear. And the beautiful views are opening up as well, so you have a lot of reasons to come here. It's the biggest open air museum in Europe itself. So the next stop would be to see the children's museum, and I suppose why not to keep going, isn't it? To explore this part. The local birds are thriving, just like always. And so we've seen also a couple of squirrels, just as expected. The sun is seeping in. It is about just past 12 in the afternoon. So the days are short in the winter time. So the sunset would be past 1 p.m. Oh my. They're all happy family, aren't they? I love the little ones. Look at them. If you're interested on how Fota Island open air zoo as well. Now, zoo only, that is. Looks in Ireland. You can have a look at my other videos. And I like the nature and animals, so it's nice to take opportunity when I'm off work and just see the different attractions when possible. Oh, this is very nice. Everybody's doing their own things. Everybody's in their own group. Mr. Bison. We are very close, you know. If I just extend my arm, this is sort of it, really. Couple of things about it. So there was no actual zoo in Stockholm with, so to speak, the giraffes and the lions and the tigers. What I like about it that they have these natural animals that are would be you know, the habitat would be here or around here. So obviously then the weather is just fine. Even when it gets cold, it's okay because they are used to it. This is their natural habitat. Hello. Hi. Just for a bit more of a background, it's European bison that we've just seen over there. We have some animals that are also sleeping on the ice. Hello, bison. And also here we are the Wolverine. You can have a glance of the home, but no. Well, you see over there in the enclosure, there might be more chances of getting to see them. It is. Yeah. I love how they just keep coming. Wait for me. There we go. These are ready for the animals because this is what the bison was chowing on. It's the midday snack. And we see also the Christmas tree over there. I would say these particular animals are thriving in this weather. Where then we have some quirks like the bear is sleeping, like basically. Whoa. It's a very good environment to relax the nervous system, and it's a very sort of like a low level brain stimulation. So you feel like you're in the forest because you are. And the houses are just from 1830s, 1840s. It's just going back in time, and it's really slowing down your mind. Are we gonna be lucky and see any of those kitties? Lynx? No. Oh my goodness. Oh, whoa, both of them on the top of the roof.
Oh yeah.
It's nice that it's two of them. Oh, I see one more. We can come around here. Well, this seems to be the sunniest part of their enclosure, so I suppose they're warming up. You can also see how they're staying at the very edge of this structure because everything else is ice, and that part is least icy. Hi. The feline is looking right at me. Love it. Oh, they're just so cute. You want to cuddle them. And then you just won't, because they are the predators. The big cat. It is lynx. Lynx and Felis catus. So lynx is 60 to 70 centimeters. And the tomcat Felis catus is 30 centimeters. They're beautiful.